Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into an exciting and innovative strategy to increase your income. We're combining the power of AI with the efficiency of email marketing. Let's explore how ChatGPT and ConvertKit can revolutionize the way you do business online. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. First, let's talk about ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI developed by OpenAI. It's not just a chatbot, it's a powerhouse for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, ChatGPT can elevate your content game to new heights. Imagine having an assistant that helps brainstorm, expand, and refine your ideas into engaging content. ChatGPT does exactly that, bringing creativity and depth to your articles, blog posts, or marketing copy. Now, let's shift gears to ConvertKit, an email marketing tool designed to make your campaigns more effective and personalized. With ConvertKit, you can segment your audience, personalize messages, and set up automated email sequences. But how can we bring together the creative power of ChatGPT and the marketing prowess of ConvertKit? The answer lies in integration. Use ChatGPT to generate unique email content that captivates your audience. Then, incorporate this content into your ConvertKit campaigns for a touch of personalization and AI efficiency. Next, we delve into the world of lead magnets and opt-ins. With ChatGPT, you can create compelling ebooks or guides. Pair these with attractive opt-in forms designed in ConvertKit to skyrocket your subscriber count. Now, let's not forget about analytics and optimization. Utilize ConvertKit's detailed analytics to track the success of your email campaigns. Simultaneously, leverage ChatGPT to analyze customer feedback, ensuring your strategy is always aligned with your audience's needs. In conclusion, combining ChatGPT and ConvertKit opens up a world of possibilities for increasing your income through intelligent content creation and strategic email marketing. Embrace these tools and watch as your online business reaches new heights of success. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.